Hello everybody, welcome to my lesson. Now we're going to start have a look quickly our um, layout page because we just finished our all controllers. Where is my layout? We Where are your layout shared? Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to fix the links over here. If you remember, we left it like that, and now we're going to change them all, and we're going to add proper links here. Let me have a look. This is dashboard. This is enabling items. This is kind of href. Okay, alright. I'm gonna delete href and I'm gonna add tech helpers, ASP area admin, ASP controller, dashboard, and ASP action index. Perfect. I'm not gonna send any information, so it's going to be enough. And Control C, Control V. Let's copy all tech helpers for all our buttons, and I'm going to change the text after I copy in all of them. No, this is user settings. I'm gonna left it like that because we didn't do anything yet. I'm gonna make it blank. Yeah, that's all. Alright, this is about. So let's copy about, dashboard about, and get about list. I'm gonna copy this one. Let's Control V for all of them because get prefix and list suffix is the same for all of them. Now I'm gonna change, yeah, here is home page. Let's copy and paste. Here is service. This is service. Let's copy team from here. Yeah, testimonials without S. Without S. Categories should be category if I remember correct. Get category list. Portfolio. Oops, sorry. Portfolio and portfolio. Get portfolio list. Contact. Contact. Get contact list. Perfect. Alright, let's save our page and let's start with the dashboard. We're in browser. And let's try all of them now. Alright, about. This is about page, perfect. Home page. Service. Oh, there is breadcrumb is gone. Let's fix that one. Service, team, testimonials, categories. I'm gonna change these categories. Okay, category, homepage and categories. Oh, portfolio. We need to change the portfolio. Contact us. Okay, let's start changing. What was the first one? Is the homepage, I guess. Yeah, it's gone. It's gone, right? Yeah, title is gone. We don't need that navigation. No, sorry. Let's take this to the outside. Right, Control KD. Perfect. Now change it to the home page settings. Okie dokie. Alright, what was the other one? Category. Let's change the categories. Alright, what was the other one? Portfolio, right? Portfolios. And testimonials. Our team, perfect. Let's save all. Close tabs. Oh, yep. And close it and start again. Admin controller now. View. Where is this view here? Yeah, but no, dashboard. Start with the dashboard. So how many minutes? Alright, it's nice. Just 6 minutes been done. Yeah, here. About us. There's a problem here. Dashboard. On-page settings. Services. Our team. Testimonials. Categories. Portfolios. Contact us. This is not working. Yeah. Alright, perfect. Let's delete that small mistake. About us. Where is the about us? Get about list. Near dashboard. Here we go. Yeah. Control S. Alright. Alright guys, we did a small refactoring and we have added our links to our pages. Let's finish this lesson here, and other lesson we're going to make a fresh start or new fresh topic. So take care of yourself. Bye bye. See you later.